Ever wondered how some people just stick in your mind? No, they're not using some mystical mind control trick. It's all about being unforgettable. In the grand theater of life, some characters are simply more compelling, more memorable. They've mastered the art of leaving an indelible imprint on the minds of others. Today we'll be exploring practical strategies to become just as unforgettable, to have people thinking about you non-stop. Intriguing, isn't it? Ready to have people thinking about you non-stop? Let's dive in. First up, being genuine. Authenticity is magnetic. It's that special something that draws people in, that irresistible charm that keeps them thinking about you long after you've left the room. It's about being true to yourself, embracing your quirks, and owning your story. It's about not pretending to be someone you're not, because let's face it, the world has enough copies. So be original, be real, be you. Remember, no one can be you better than you. Everyone loves a good yarn, especially if you're the one spinning it. Picture this. You're at a social gathering and you begin to weave a tale. It could be about that time you got lost in a foreign city and ended up having dinner with a local family. Or maybe it's about how you once helped a baby turtle reach the sea. It's not just about the story itself, but how you tell it. The enthusiasm in your voice, the sparkle in your eyes, the dramatic pauses. These are the threads that make your story captivating. People are naturally drawn to those who can take them on a journey through words alone. And guess what? The more engaging your tales, the more they'll associate that feeling of excitement and intrigue with you. That's how you get stuck in their minds, in a good way, of course. So get spinning those tales, and you'll have people hanging on your every word. People love to feel heard and valued. Show genuine interest in them. Now, this sounds like simple advice, but the impact it can have is profound. We all have a deep-rooted desire to be understood and appreciated. So when someone shows a genuine interest in our lives, our dreams, our passions, it creates a connection that's hard to break. Imagine you're at a party. You meet someone, and instead of them just talking about themselves, they ask about you. They listen as you share your interests, your dreams, and even your fears. They're not just waiting for their turn to speak. They're truly engaged in what you're saying. Suddenly, you feel seen, you feel valued, and most importantly, you feel connected to this person. You'll remember them and you'll certainly think about them. So the next time you're in a conversation, don't just listen, engage, show genuine interest. Remember, the most interesting person is the most interested. Shared experiences are the glue that binds people together. There's an undeniable truth to this statement. Shared experiences are like secret handshakes. They carve out a unique space for you and the other person, a space that no one else can penetrate. Whether it's an adrenaline-pumping skydiving adventure, a shared passion for 80s rock music, or even just a mutual love for the same obscure foreign film, these shared experiences create a mental tether, a link that ties you to the other person. And it's not just about grand, life-changing events. It can be as simple as sharing a laugh over a silly joke, or bonding over your shared distaste for pineapple on pizza. It's these shared moments, big or small, that form the building blocks of an unforgettable connection. So don't be afraid to create these moments. They are the threads that weave the fabric of your relationships. So go on, create some unforgettable memories together. First impressions matter, but so do last impressions. It's like a book. The beginning draws you in, but the ending leaves you pondering. So think of yourself as a novel. You want to leave a lingering taste, a memory that echoes. Maybe it's your signature farewell, a unique goodbye gesture, or a thoughtful final remark. It's about creating a mental bookmark that triggers recollections of you. Like a catchy song's last note, you want to resonate. Ensure the last memory of you is a good one. Being present is more than just showing up. It's about fully immersing yourself in the moment, engaging all your senses, and truly connecting with those around you. It's about listening, not just hearing, seeing, not just looking. When you are fully present, you create a magnetic energy that draws people in. You become unforgettable because you make others feel seen, heard, and valued. So let's make the conscious effort to be truly present in our interactions. Remember, your presence is a present. Kindness is memorable. It's that simple. When we show kindness and genuine concern, we etch ourselves into the hearts of others. The warmth of a kind word, the comfort of a listening ear, the strength of an outstretched hand. These are the things people remember. It's not about grand gestures or extravagant gifts. It's about showing up, reaching out and being there. It's about being real, being you. Kindness doesn't cost a thing, but its value is priceless. A little mystery never hurt anyone. Indeed, it's intriguing, like an unread book or an unopened gift. Leaving a bit to the imagination can make you more memorable. It's like an invisible thread pulling thoughts back to you, sparking curiosity and fueling intrigue. You don't have to be an enigma, but don't lay everything bare either. A sprinkling of mystery can make you unforgettable, like a catchy tune that plays on repeat in the mind. Remember, sometimes less is more. Your name is your identity. Make it memorable. It's the first note in the symphony of you. Be creative with its sound. Try different tones, interesting pronunciations, or create associations. If your name is Rose, be as delightful as a bouquet. If it's Max, be as limitless as the sky. Your name is a melody, a rhythm, a beat. Let it resonate with others. Let it echo in their minds. Make your name a tune they can't get out of their heads. Humor is the spice of life, and it makes you spicy too. Ever noticed how we remember the funniest moments more vividly? That's because laughter releases chemicals in our brain that enhance memory. So, if you want to be unforgettable, don't forget to pack some punchlines. They're like mental sticky notes. And hey, even if your jokes make people groan, they're still thinking about you. Just remember, the key is timing and knowing your audience. So don't be afraid to crack a joke or two. Enjoying the video so far? Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Your support helps us create more of this content. It's a simple click for you, but a great boost for us. Now let's get back to making you unforgettable. Unicorns stand out, and so should you. Conformity is the enemy of unforgettable. So let's talk about embracing your uniqueness and individuality. You're not just another horse in the field, you're a unicorn. Your quirks, your passions, your unique perspectives, that's your horn, your magic. Don't be afraid to let it shine, because people are drawn to those who dare to be different, who dare to be themselves, unabashedly. Stand out from the crowd, be a unicorn, and there you have it. Practical strategies to make anyone think about you non-stop. We've journeyed through the art of being genuine, the power of captivating storytelling, and the magic of showing genuine interest. We've explored the creation of shared experiences, the secret to leaving a lasting impression, and the importance of being present. We've delved into kindness, the allure of mystery, and the significance of making your name memorable. We've spiced things up with a dash of humor and reminded you to embrace your inner unicorn. It's been quite the ride, hasn't it? Now, armed with these tactics, you are ready to leave an indelible mark on the minds of others. Go out there and be unforgettable. That's it for today's video. Now, it's your turn to shine. Try these strategies and let's hear how you got on. Share your experiences in the comments. We can't wait to hear your stories. Until next time, remember, you're unforgettable.
Savored this video? Fancy another? Click the on-screen video for an even deeper dive into fresh territory. Your support is like a warm cuppa on a brisk day. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell for the latest content. Cheers for watching.